Hello, friends. Welcome to this talk show. This is Alina, hosting today's podcast episode. Last week, you asked us to discuss the best laptop repair service provider in Glendora. So, here I am with possible assistance. So let's start. A little malfunctioning of our valuable laptop can create hassle in our daily responsibility. So, if you are suffering any such issue with your laptop, try to make it repair as soon as possible. But when it is an Apple laptop, you can't trust anyone for this job, and then it is vital to rely only on a recognized repair shop. My knowledge says that iTech Xpress is the most trusted name in this regard. From screen repair to hard disk repair, from virus removal to data recovery, everything they do with their expertise and professionalism. They even offer a same-day recovery service if needed. For more details, you can check their website itechexpressing.com or you can call 626-777-4747 and discuss your problem directly with them and book a schedule for your repair service. I hope you will find the simplest and easy solution with them. See you the next day with another solution. Till then, stay with us.